Have you ever picked up your power cord and doubted that there would be power as you plugged it into the outlet on the wall? Of course not. You know without a shadow of a doubt that there is electricity flowing through that plug, through that connection. Well, in these days, when there is so much chaos outside, wouldn't it be nice to be able to plug in to calm within? Wouldn't it be nice to be able to plug in to your well-being within? I'm Georgena. I was trained for 4 years to begin to listen deeply, to access the well-being within, to get out of my critical mind and move into my compassionate heart through mind-body processes that I can access in an instant when I become aware that the world around me is feeling very frenetic. To be able to move from out there to in here in an instant. To move from that place of crisis to confidence. I'm inviting you to join me on Tuesday, November the 8th. Yes, it's a very auspicious day here in the United States, for it is Election Day. There has been so much chaos and division and separation throughout this whole process. Who is right, us and them? So I invite you to join me for 90 minutes of discovery, where you can be curious about what does my inner well-being within look like, sound like, feel like, and how can I come from that place to move out into the world? So if you are a coach working with someone who seems stuck and not moving forward, if you are a guidance counselor working with children ages 10 to 18, or someone who feels high anxiety or deep grief and despair throughout much of your day and even night, I invite you to join me so that you can begin to learn processes and practice them to move from chaos to calm, to plug in to your well-being within, to, once you are with yourself, be able to recognize that critical mind and then relate to your compassionate heart, so the self-judgment can be released. I'm Georgena. Click on the link below to register. Your questions will be answered and you will leave so that with these tools, so that when you wake up on Wednesday morning, you'll move into the ABCs of awareness, bravery, and compassion. You'll be able to access peace, love, and power